The hardest part about baking cookies is not eating the dough.
When my kids were little, I barely could make cookies because they would be like, dough for me, one maybe on the pan.
Ownerpreneur Julie Abes decided to give Cookie Monsters what they wanted, batter. And the Atlanta market was hungry for it.
Once we were open and the word took off, we had lines that wrapped all the way around to this candy store back here.
The dough may be raw, but batter's sales strategy is anything but half-baked.
The customer favorite is the chocolate chip. It's the one that everyone's always grown up eating when you're not supposed to eat it, and now you can.
Julie is one smart cookie. She chose Clover as her point of sale system.
At this location, we have the Clover Station and a Clover Mini. It's so simple, it's very user-friendly. Most of my employees are under the age, I'd say, of 25. And I have got high schoolers who are 15, 16 years old, but I barely have had to train them on the Clover. It takes about 10 minutes and they have it.
Customers appreciate the sweet checkout experience.
They love that they can use Apple Pay with it. They don't have to hand me their credit card. They have it, they have their eye on it, no one touched it.
Clover keeps things simple so the dough can flow.
I got cookies and cream, and it kind of tastes like a cookie.
I love kids that love seeing the light in their eyes, and when they try it and they nod to their mom that it's really good and that's the flavor they're gonna pick. It's too cute. It's too cute.